Another interesting feature in Camtasia is adding quiz. You can create question and answer in between a video. To do that, you have to open here. It's better way to open this, and you can see we can open this and tick quiz. You can turn it on or off, or again open it. And if you're going most over the timeline, you can see, sorry, we are going to the quiz. Where is that? Quiz, and open it. And if you're going, you have to open that. You can see it's closed. We don't have this. If you open it, we have a you can see we have a tape here that if you're going most over that, a plus icon will be appear at any time. You can click. This is this is a marker. Take quiz. Now this is a quiz. Now you can see this is a quiz number 2, number 4, any quiz that you want, you can, and close it. If you click quiz number 2 or any quiz here here, you can see we have 2 tabs here. From here you can change the quiz name. For example, quiz name 1. Viewer can see the result, score quiz if you want, and you can preview that. In another tab you can create your question. Which type of question do you want? Multiple choice. You can see this is a quiz placeholder. Here your quiz will be appear at this point of the video. To preview the quiz, you have to set preview here. I will show you more. And from here you can add answer. This is a default answer. Add answer. For example, 2 plus 2 equal default answer. Default answer, the answer is 4, and you can add another answer 1, add another answer 2, 8, anything that you want, you can set the answer. And if you want, you can display feedback. If correct, type good to you. Okay, good to you. And if correct, which action appear? Continue. Go to URL if you want. Type URL. Jump to marker number 1, marker number 2. You can marker. This is a marker. Or jump to a specific time. Just I want to continue. If correct, continue and go on. If incorrect, it said not good, and continue. This is an first. For another question, you can add question here. In this time, I choose fill in blank. For example, 8 minus 2 equal, the default answer is 6, and this is in a fill in blank. Here it has to type number, and you can add answer if you want. And if correct, again you have to set good. If incorrect, not good, and continue. Add another question, fill in a blank, short answer. You have to type anything, and it has to type it. Just you have to answer. And false or true. Just for example, we have to type 1 plus 3 equal 4. Is it true or false? The answer of this, you have to set the answer. It's a true. It's a right. And you can add a question. In quiz this. And you can delete this quiz if you want. Okay. For previewing that, for preview quiz number 1, you can go to this tab and preview. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4. Submit answer, tells you good to you. Then it tells you correct. Then continue another question. You have to fill in a blank. For example, 6. Submit answer. Nice. Continue. This is true and false. This is false. Submit answer, and it's incorrect. And so on. It's very simple. You can then continue, and the video will be continued. You can add another quiz here with that answers and question, and you learn it. It's very simple. This is a question, and you have to set your answer. Okay. For example, 2 plus 2, the answer is 4. Okay, the answer is 4, and you can add another false and incorrect answer to. For example, this is a multiple choice, is like a test, the 4 choice. And you can turn on the display feedback, and this is fill in a blank. The answer is 6, and you have to set the answer, the correct answer, to tell the software, okay, this is an correct answer, and you can set if correct or incorrect. And it just fill in a blank, type a number. Another thing is true and false, and you can add any question, typing the word, anything that you want, you can create it. And important part of that, if you want to export that, as I said before, in interactive button, you have to go export MP4 with the Smart Player, and you can export it in HTML file that you can upload in your website. This file does not play in a simple player in your mobile. You have to use it inside or SCORM or any LMS, light managing system, and you have to export it. Okay, that's it.